Hi everybody, today we are going to see about tallyprime and tally installation. Watch the entire video so that you can learn about tally. Learn tally in an easy manner. In your favorite search engine, type tallyprime. You can see here tallyprime 4.0. You can take a free trial or you can directly download Tally Prime. You can see here release 4.0. Click download. After the entire software is downloaded, click setup. Setup.exe file installs Tally Prime. Follow the instructions. Once it is done, your Tally Prime will be active. After installation, sometimes Windows firewall may block some features of the app. You click allow access and you can see here I am going to use Tally Prime for educational purposes. You can see here Tally Prime edu. Now we can see Tally 9 installation. Install.exe is the file which we are going to use for installing Tally 9. You follow the steps one by one so that you can install Tally 9 in your system. This is one of the oldest version of Tally. For educational purpose, you can use this Tally 9. Thank you.